Hello traders. Today I will show you my own trading setup, right? I will teach you uh, the analysis behind this, right? And just before starting, I would like to, give a disclaimer that this video is just for educational purpose only, right? I will just give you my analysis, and there is nothing or not any recommendation for any buying or selling. So for that, you should take the advice from your financial advisor. So let's begin. Okay, so I'll show you uh, the rule and the setup, the entire setup that how I take the trades, right? So in this I use volume profile. So as you people must be aware about volume profile, right? Something like this. So in short, I just want to describe it. So volume profile just give you is a representation of your vertical volume. Your vertical volume is plotted here, right, at below. But it just shows at what particular time how much volume was traded, right, at particular time. But on the other hand, these are also volume and just shows that at particular price how much volume was traded, right? So here it was showing how much volume at particular time it was traded, here at what particular price, right? So as you can see, these are the white lines, right? These are POC lines. So POC lines are point of control, which shows that the entire day, in the entire day, most of the trade was happened at this particular price. So most traded price was this. Okay, so in my setup, I just use only POC. So rest I am just removing. Okay. Next is this is my indicator which I just created, right? So there are some components which I will describe one by one. Okay, this is pivot, right? This is uh, based on some calculation which I just back tested and uh, which is working beautifully. So if the price is above both the lines, right, then we are considering it to be bullish. If the price is below the line, we are considering it bearish. And if price is opening or closing below this, then there's some, dicey things happening. So we need to wait for more confirmation. So first component is this pivot. Second component is I'm tracking the smart money positions, right? Some that what kind of position. So my view or my analysis is that it will be the smart money if they are they just come back to retest it, right? So similarly, this was tested and went back. So once in a while it will come and test it, right? Here it went below, in this zone, tested and came from here and tested. Okay, so the bias or the bias we can take from this, if the price is above this, or we can take it as a support and resistance as well sometime. So second component is this smart money positions. This is the main and the main indicator which we use for direction. So in this one, what we have to do at 3 minute time frame chart, we have to see, okay, as you are seeing, there are some alphabets, right? Some capital letters and some, uh, small letters, A, B, C, D, and all that. So here, what I have coded here, if the letter is capital and it is in green, then it means it is bullish sign. We need to go long. Same way, if something is something like that, I'll show you. Yeah, if the letter is capital and in red, then it is bearish. And sometime you will see, you will get, these kind of question marks, right? You may get it above and below both side, but the logic here is if we are getting question marks, then it means it is a doubtful thing should be happen in your mind. If you are in position, then you should be aware or alert that something is opposite might happen. Okay, so in this indicator, we are getting some capital letters. If it is in below the candle and in green, it is bullish sign. If it is above and in red color, capital letter, that is bearish sign. Okay, so the strategy which I'm just talking about is just for I'm testing. I have back tested it and I've been using it. That is just for for first hour and something, right? Though you can get more trades after that, but I have just back tested it that for first 1 hour we need to capture those those movement either upside or downside. 40 to 50 points we have to capture. The more you can get, but at least 40-50 points we need to capture it, right? Okay, so now we have 4 to 5 components. Let's merge them all and let's see how it works, right? So this is the POC, right? Previous day POC in white dash line. And now switch on all the components and let's combine them and let's see. Okay, so the buying rule is price should be above POC, right? And the uh, price should be above these pivots, red, yellow, and blue line. Okay, and these gray lines are smart money positions, which I'm just calculating, or John, right? I'm just calculating. Is we have to take as an retest or something, right? Or if it is above, that is also a sign of bullishness. Okay, so here and the final confirmation of these letters, that is F. F it is showing it is in below the candle, first 3 minute candle. Okay, and it is in capital, so that is bullish sign. Okay, so now we got POC above, pivots above, and these zone smart money zone above, right? So what we have to take now, entry. Entry, if we have to first observe the first candle. This is bullish. This is opened here, went below, opened, went high this level, and close here, right? So in this we can see everything is bullish. Just the wick is quite big. So if it would be closed here or so, right? So we can take the entry at the next candle exactly. But in this case, the wick is quite big and we can see it is showing selling pressure. So in this way, we need to wait for pullback. So, and as I said, the smart money mostly comes and tests this zone, right? So here, so our entry would be from here. Okay, stop loss is we need to take some buffer from the low of the first candle, right? And we need to have at least 40 points. So we have got that, right? Great. So we have got that, right? Okay, I'm not discussing afterwards because these are other setups. But as I said, we need to first capture these early 1 hour move. So we will be focusing in this video only about the first hour. Okay, previous day, let's see. Yeah, price is opened above but closed below POC. This one, previous day POC, great. Closed below these pivots, great. Second confirmation. Third confirmation is it is closing below, lower side of these smart zone, right? Okay. And the final confirmation is capital C, which is also a bearish directional view, right? So I will check the entry here. Mm, Although we didn't get more complete 40 points, but here, as we can say, we have got around 39 or something, right? Or yeah, 37. But there is a catch, or there is a more another concept here is that you can see the entry candle, this one, we have got the question mark sign, right? As I said, question means we have to have some doubt. Okay, so either it might be that the trend which in which we entered, it might be it might lose the tempo, right? Something like that. So again, we have got the question mark, question mark, question mark, right? So I have observed whenever we get the four consecutive question marks, so mostly the trend will be we will get a reversal, right? But as I said, we have got around 37 points here. So either we can trail or we can at least we can have 30 points or something, right? So that is also a win-win in this case. Okay, that is for 29th. Okay, let's see what is happening. Price is above this POC, previous day POC dash line, you can see. Okay, price is above this zone, smart money zones, right? Up at what we can say at upside. Okay, and pivot, it is within the pivot, right? It is opened here, went above and closed here, right? So within the pivot, it is happening. So in this case, we have to think that price might not go aggressively, or it will or we can have some resistance and support in this condition, right? So this one is bullish. First confirmation is bullish. Second is this one, smart zone is bullish, and the final confirmation is, although pivot is not giving us any confirmation or directional bias, right? But third condition is this one. So we are getting the green capital Y. So that is we have to go long. So almost 30-40 points we have got here as well. In this one, yeah, price is below the POC. Okay, first confirmation below the zone, smart money zone. Second, below the pivots. Third, and final is we are getting capital C in red. That is bearish sign again. Okay, now first candle is a kind of dozy or something like that, right? So we should, in this case, in these type of candle, we don't have to aggressively uh, go. We don't have to take aggressively, right? So in this case, we will wait for some pullback, then we will enter. So that was also win. So if we would have somewhere closed here, taken the entry here, and we have got around this much first candle, and with some buffer, we can take that as a stop loss, right? And we are not observing other movements after first 1 hour. That is a different setups, but now we are analyzing on just 1 hour trade first moment. Okay. Hmm. Price is below POC. Hmm. Okay. And the price is opening within the pivots and all that, right? In upper side and below side, both side we have wick, and it is also opening and in within the smart money positions. So this is a dicey, and in these conditions we can wait for another candle, another 3rd minute candle, and here we are getting this is showing, okay, first candle is showing bearish sign, but other things are not giving any confirmation, right? Because we had to take at least 3 confirmation in our side. Here we are not getting that. So we'll wait for another candle, and here we are getting capital X green, which is a bullish sign. And now price is above POC, this one, above pivots, okay, and it has come above upper side of the zone, right? So we could take this trade, and I think, yeah, this one price is above this above the POC, above, okay, these are the smart money zone. Price opened here, and right at the open, it came within this smart money zone, right? And after that, so directional bias, let's see what indicator is showing. It is bearish, right? This one. Although out of four confirmation, if we see, we are getting, let's count this. This is POC is showing bullishness, one, and the smart money is showing is bearish, that is opposite one, and the indicator is showing bearish, right? So overall, the confirmation we are getting out of four, three is supporting bearishness, and this is also a bearish. So we can capture this trade. But as I said, POC is also uh, works as a good support and resistance. So we could consider this as, that the trend might be halt here, right? Although we can, if we check, these are almost 40 points. We can have that, but we can't go beyond this, right? As we can see, smart money zone, PVETs, and POC both are, supported here. Okay, so in this one, in this date or 22nd December, we are getting we've got the gap up. Price is above the smart money, P-words, POC, right? So that was an indicator was also showing a bullish capitally. So that was a trade. Yeah, we got 40, 45, 50 points, right? This one, price is about smart money positions, smart money zone, pivots, POC. So this was the trade. Price is below POC, okay, at the lower side of the smart money, okay. Second confirmation. Third is below these pivots, and what indicator is showing this capital B, that is also bearish. So at this, okay, now we will not take entry right at the open of the candle. As I said, wick is quite big, so we will take the entry at pullback only, as we seen in earlier case as well. So yeah, stop loss is just above with some buffer of first candle. All right, let's move to 17th December. Price is within these pivots, POC below POC, but we are getting some some bullishness from below side, and indicator is showing capital U bullish. But again, here three components are giving are in favor, but we are opening and closing within this pivot, right? So we can't expect much. Although we can go long from here, but we should not go beyond it. We should always have in our mind that there is a resistance above, right? So yeah, okay. Price is below the POC, previous POC, below these pivots, and below these smart money position, and indicator is giving this capital F, right? So we can trade this move, although we have got this, but if you would have been targeting this much, that is also a win. Okay, in this one, price is below POC, below these smart money zone, below this pivots, and we are getting capital D in red bearish. So entry was this here, this one, and are we getting 40 points? Yeah, 15. Let's go to 7, 12. Okay. Price is above POC, above smart money zone, above pivots, and we are getting this capital E. Let's go to, yeah, we got the target. Okay, price is below this, below POC within the smart money zone and below pivots. Okay, and we are getting bearish sign, capital B. Okay, in this case, but as I said, that wick is quite bigger, right? So, in always in this scenario, we have to take the at pullback only. So we will not take, we will not put the trade entry it here. We will have to wait for pullback then. So entry would be somewhere here or somewhere here. Let's see, suppose here, and we are getting stop loss would be with some buffer above first candle. Yeah. Hmm. Okay, price is above POC, previous day POC, and within this smart money zone, but at upper side, right? Okay, and price is closed above these pivots. Pivots is quite narrow, you can see, and we are getting capital B, right? So that is also a bullish sign. Again, I said, wick is quite big, right? And it seems a bullish candle, right? Though it is in red color, because it would have been opened here, went above, went below, and closed here, right? So there was some bullishness overall here, and also getting the indicator is also giving the indication of bullishness. So we will enter at pullback, although wick is quite uh, big. So we will enter here with some buffer. We can put stop loss and let's count this. Yeah. Okay. Okay, as you must be seeing, I have not changed any rule, right? We have to have some just for confirmation, and based on that, we need to trade, right? I'm not giving different scenarios on, and we don't need to check any other kind of other support resistance and all that. Just to capture the first move of the day, early for of the morning trade. This is working really very good. And okay, let's check this one as well. Below pivots, below POC, below smart money zone, capital G. That's there we go. Yeah. Oh, oh, that was a great move that day. And the stop loss would be above the first candle high with some buffer. And as you must be seeing, I'm not checking some selective things, right? I've been just giving you back testing of one by of previous dates, right? Not taking any random day or something like that. Every day we have to check that our setup is working or not. Okay, in this one, POC is above. Okay, first sign is bearish. Okay, within the candle, within the support zone. Okay, and this one is POC is not completely opening above. It is within the pivots, right? And the indicator is showing capital S, which is a bearishness. So we can take trade somewhere here, right? No problem in this one because POC is already upside. Yeah, the move we have got 97 something, right? And the first candle, some buffer. As the POC is upper side, so we can take the stop loss here as well. But yeah, that is okay. First candle with some buffer, it is working fine. This one, yeah. Uh, Price is closing above POC, above pivots, and up at upper side of the zone, right? Okay. Three confirmation and the fourth confirmation is we are getting green color at the downside, right? Bullishness. So yeah, wick is quite big, so either we can take entry at pullback, or that is a good sign though. First candle, although we have got that right. Hmm. Okay, see, I could show some example, something like, although the target we can have this, and but target the stop loss has not been we were not stopped out, right? We can we can re-enter at these positions as well. So yeah, that it is working very beautifully, right? No need to change any rule or something, right? Okay, in this one, price is above the POC. Okay, within the zone, smart money zone, okay, and price is below this pivots, right? But as we can see, POC is showing bullish, right? Pivot is showing bearish, 1:1 ka ratio, and within this zone, right? So there is no complete directional view, but yeah, like and the indicator is showing capital Z. That is, we have to go bearish. So in this case, mm, we are, I think, stopped out. If you would have taken this and we didn't get that much and we stopped out. Yeah, this is, I think this is the this one is the first stop loss we have got so far in the entire December month. But yeah, this was the first trade we went into loss. But again, we could go long from here as the indicator showing capital D green. Okay, that is a different strategy, but second, yeah, price is below POC, closing below POC, below pivots, lower side of the zone, and we are getting, we didn't get much confirmation here, but here at the second candle we got the confirmation. We are getting capital R here, but both are in uh, of the same strength, right? As I coded, right? So we can go bearish from here or from here if we got the confirmation from this way. We go, yeah, this that day was quite trending day. We got that, and the we could first candle with some buffer is stop loss. Okay, price is below POC. Okay, below pivots. Okay, and at the lower side of the I would say John, but okay. Mhm. So in this case, yeah, I mean, like we definitely will go to short as per all the conditions. So let's see if we would have gone here first. And yeah, here we also, as per the rules, we are stopped out. But if you would have taken the entry at pullback, that yeah, that is stop loss, no problem. Second is stop loss. Okay, here price is above POC, above pivots, above smart money zone. Got the bullish sign, go bullish. Mhm. With some buffer, are we getting points? Yeah, some 35 points, something we got that. Okay, price POC, well POC. Yeah, price is POC is above quite higher this day. Okay. Uh, price is closing within the closing within this pivot, right? And closing Price has, the first 3 minute candle just, trace the entire smart money zone, right? This one, and we got the sign of bullishness here. So let's see how much components are in favor. This one is showing bearishness. Okay, this one pivot is not showing anything at all. So in this case, we need to, either avoid or just if you want to, uh, you know, you can capture both the side from here. You can go long and you can go short as well. But these would be very risky trades in such scenarios. As you can see, the price this day went upside, then moved downside. This was in range. So, although that was up to you in such scenarios if you wanted to avoid or you want to trade. But in both the cases, what you have to do, you have to take the long from here and exit here and short from here, exit here, something like that. This one price is above POC, above pivots. Pivots is, yeah, above pivots. And we got the capital E in green, that is bullish sign. Let's see, have we got the target? First candle with some buffer is here. Yeah, we got the target. And target, as you said, we need to count 40 to 50 points, right? The initial move, right? In every candle, we have, in every early trade, we have to capture the first move. Okay, price is above POC. Okay, price is not closing above the pivots, but it's opening here, closing here. Okay, and closing within this uh, smart money zone, right? So not much confirmation we got. Okay, but again we can say this was the also bullish. Again, next trend is also showing bullish. So that was, and here, right? Price now went above this. So in this scenario, you can trade from here, right? We got this move. Yeah, in this case, the stop loss is little big, but yeah, we got the trade. This one is below POC, below this one, mm, within this smart money zone. So yeah, if you would have taken this, it has given the stop loss, right? Yeah, something like that. Yeah, stop loss is gone. No problem. So far, three stop losses, right? And we have checked the entire month, right? Almost 25 days we have checked and back tested, right? And so 25 days, right? And out of 3 to 4 days, we just stopped out, right? So almost the accuracy is around, above 80 or 85% in such scenarios. So that is, I think, a good. And this is the demonstration just I have shown you for the first trade only, right? After that, you can also capture some moves, right? But that is the different trending strategies which I'll discuss in some other videos, if right. So for that's all for this video, and hope so you would like this one. And I will share some more strategies which I just shared. in different market conditions, right? But mostly I trade this one, right? I like this one with some good accuracy, with some, good risk reward ratio. So most of the time I prefer this. But yeah, I mean, like I have some other strategies as well for trending and balance and sideways markets as well, right? To identify the market types and then trade. But yeah, this one is something I can, now blindly I can trust and get 20-30 points and in my first trade, morning trade, and then after that I can look for some other trades as well. Yeah, guys, so that's all for this today's video, and I hope so you would love this. And if you want more strategies, definitely do comment. And thank you for all.